Well, okay, here you go. Here's my Nerf gun collection. I call this my 2016-2017 Nerf collection. My first one I got last year was a Retaliator, and I just moved on from there. And then here's my Modulus. I got that from last year when I had all four of my wisdom teeth taken out. So yeah, that's my wisdom teeth present from when I had my wisdom teeth taken out. And then the tri-strike, the split strike, the Modulus MK2, the Ion Fire with some attachments, the Strike and Defend kit, my zombie line, the Brain Soul, the Flip Fury, the Clamp Down, my Active Strike line, the Alpha Hawk, and the Falcon Fire. 2 down, 1 to go. I can't wait to get that other one. Here's my Mega line, my Mega Lightning Bow, the Mega Cyclone Shock, the Mega Big Shock. And there's my Doomlands Persuader, the Snapfire, the Fire Strike Elite with the modular slot on it, which doesn't hardly work anymore because it's kept falling off of my shelf. And here's my rival Apollo. I can't wait to when they revamp this one. I heard they're going to make it white and black. And they took that handle, where you load it, and they took that and removed it and put it on the side like they have up here with the tri-strike. Instead of pulling it from the top and going forward, you pull it on the side and push it forward. I can't wait to get that blaster. That looks cool. I've seen all kinds of new blasters from this year's Toy Fair. Sadly, I didn't go to because I didn't have the money. So I think I'll be silent now and just let you enjoy this. Yeah, it may not be bigger than yours, but it's a start. I respect your collection and you respect mine. Please. I call this my 2016-2017 line. Even though some of them may be a couple of years old. If you're wondering where the magazines are for a couple of these, I left them indoors. I have 2 10s, a 12, and a 6. The tri-strike came with a 10. The Retaliator came with a 10. The Modulus came with a 12. So 2 10s and a 12. And the 6 is the Modulus MK2. So this has been my Nerf gun collection. I hope you're enjoying it. This is Todd signing out.